Rahul Mehra wants to come in, come in and make a point to you directly. Go on, Rahul.
It is paramount that, we have the Prime Minister of this country who's supposed to have the highest integrity. We have Mrs. Sonia Gandhi, and then we have her son, Mr. Rahul Gandhi. And he's the future leader of India. I think it's time now that all three of them put concerted effort and really jump right in the middle of it, take charge of the Commonwealth Games, and really instill confidence in we, the people of India, that whatever has happened, it will be not only investigated into, the culprits for a change would be prosecuted and will be convicted wherever they are found.
Okay.
And nothing is going to be brushed under the carpet. It is important to restore the confidence amongst the Indians first, and then restore the credibility of we as a nation, as a India in the world community. This is what hurts national pride. Not what we have been told, that national pride is all because of Commonwealth Games. That was a wrong and misplaced argument. It is public money which is being squandered, which is being absolutely blatantly misused. Who is going to be held accountable? My fight right from the beginning for the last 10 years has been, the bigger issue is, please step in, regulate sports, introduce law. There is no law. There's a free run, uncontrolled autonomy given to these people. Therefore, they create their own fiefdoms for their own vested interest.
Okay.
And this is a classic example of a free run being given. Okay. So please come and catch the bull by its horn.
Okay, that's something that we absolutely intend to do. Vijay Goyal is the former sports minister, and Dr. Shakeel Ahmed is saying, Mr. Goyal, that it's because there are people from the BJP like Vijay Kumar Malhotra who've been closely organized with the preparation for the games, which is why people in the organizing committee are thinking they can get away with this. Suresh Kalmadi and company believe they can get away with this because people on the BJP are also on the take, which is why nobody seems to be speaking against it, which is why it takes headlines today to go and dig out these files to show to the world what a con this Commonwealth Games really is.
Vijay Kumar Malhotra is not the member of the organizing committee because he belongs to BJP. He is the member of the organizing committee because he is the president of the Archery Association. So it is not a political concern, and we don't want to politicalize the whole issue. I was a sports minister. I was a sportsman also. I was also the member of the organizing committee. I was the one who raised the issue in the 7th December meeting of the organizing committee, raised the issue of delay and misappropriation of funds. They showed me the door. So it is not the political issue whether which party represents in the organizing committee in which capacity, and who is the decision maker. The decision maker is the Kalmadi and company. The decision maker is the GOM. The decision maker is the Chief Minister of Delhi government. The decision makers are the 4 persons sent by the PMO in the organizing committee. There are 450 members of the organizing committee. Are they the decisions maker? So why not they put all the transactions on the website so that everybody can see what is the actual position?
Okay. Today, Headlines Today is putting out the actual position. And Sandeep, when somebody tells me that they bought tissue paper for 4,138 rupees, when a fridge, a 100-litre fridge, and I'm sure all of us will relate with this example very closely, can be bought in any market for 6,000 rupees, a costly fridge can be bought for 10,000 rupees. If it's a phenomenal fridge, you can buy it for 20,000 rupees. But over here, it is being hired for 42,202 rupees. It makes my blood boil, Sandeep.
No, I think this probably is the final nail in this theatre of the absurd, which has been carrying on for the last several years. We are now, D-60 as far as the Commonwealth Games are concerned. Every day there is a new scam. Every day we hear of a new controversy. All this while, Mr. Kalmadi and the OC was saying categorically that there is a multiplicity of agencies, civic agencies, and they are responsible for handing over the stadia infrastructure. We've done our job. How do you explain this? How do you explain 500 odd items which are there for inlays at a cost of 650 crore, where the cost escalation is absurd? It's outrageous.
Oh, absolutely.
So even if you were to do a cost-benefit analysis of purchase versus hiring, you will find empirically that it is cheaper to purchase rather than hire in this manner.